Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 26th, 2024, and we're diving into some intriguing developments in the world of Tesla. From safety concerns with Tesla's full self-driving system to unexpected issues with the Cybertruck's windshield and a strategic shift in Tesla's solar energy business, we've got a lot to cover. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with a deep dive into Tesla's full self-driving system. An independent evaluation by AMCI testing has raised significant safety concerns. Over a 1,000-mile journey in Southern California, the system required human intervention more than 75 times, averaging an intervention every 13 miles. The tests covered various driving environments, from city streets to highways, using FSD builds 12.5.1 and 12.5.3. While the system showed some advanced capabilities, like maneuvering to let oncoming vehicles pass, it also displayed alarming behaviors, such as running red lights and veering into oncoming traffic. Guy Mangiamelli, the director of AMCI testing, acknowledged the impressive aspects of the FSD, but cautioned against driver complacency. He noted that drivers often take their hands off the wheel, which is risky given the system's unpredictable nature. The evaluation pointed out issues with the system's programming, including delayed lane changes and critical miscalculations. Mangiamelli suggested these failures could be due to computing power limitations and programming inadequacies, raising serious questions about the reliability and safety of Tesla's FSD technology. Moving on to a peculiar incident involving the Tesla Cybertruck. An owner named Adam reported that his windshield shattered unexpectedly while he was cleaning it from the inside with a microfiber cloth. He shared his experience on the Cybertruck Owners Club forum, expressing frustration and questioning the durability of the windshield, which Tesla markets as shatter-resistant. Adam clarified there were no prior damages, such as rock chips, and he was applying normal pressure while drying the glass. This incident has sparked concerns among forum members about the windshield's durability. Some speculated that the glass might have been affected by heat or other factors, while others noted that tinted windshields have been known to crack under certain conditions. Adam confirmed his windshield was not tinted and suggested it had been hazy since he received the vehicle, leading him to suspect improper tempering. This has led to a broader debate about the quality and durability of the Cybertruck's glass, initially promoted as highly resilient. Lastly, let's talk about Tesla's strategic shift in the solar energy sector. The company is winding down its own solar installation business and calling for more certified energy installers. This move comes as Tesla has seen a consistent decline in solar deployments, leading to layoffs and a pivot towards selling its energy products, like the Powerwall and solar inverters, to third-party installers. Tesla aims to maintain its presence in the energy market by promoting its products for use in home energy ecosystems, potentially connecting homeowners to virtual power plants and Tesla electric services. James Bickford, Tesla's head of global residential energy product sales, emphasized the need for certified installers to ensure quality work and customer satisfaction. Currently, Tesla boasts over 2,000 certified installers across 14 countries, who have collectively completed over 1 million installations. The company provides these installers with access to its Tesla One software platform for managing their operations. Additionally, Tesla is now certifying installers for its PowerShare product, which offers bidirectional home charging compatible with the Cybertruck. This reflects Tesla's strategy to adapt to changing market conditions while still promoting its energy solutions through a network of certified partners. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Remember, you can find links to all the stories we discussed in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of Tesla. Until then, stay curious and drive safely.